I'm Johnny from SXS, part of the production team for the What Now Tour. The guys are just setting up here now at the Barclaycard Arena in Birmingham. This video is about arena rigging, and in this I want to talk through a few basic principles of what we do when we're working in arenas and the workflow and the process and the safety management. Arenas in the UK vary. Some have a mother grid whereby the main roof structure gets dropped down to the floor, at which point we attach our chains to it. Other times, like this venue here, cherry pickers have to get the riggers up into the roof and we attach our chains into the roof. In both instances, the reason for that is that the chain can drop down to a motor and then the motor can lift the truss up into the air. So what you see behind me here is a series of trusses. Some have lighting on them, some have video, some have projection screens, some have projectors. In addition to that, we've also got some line array PA systems which are also flown from overhead as well. All of the items that are lifted into the air either have to have some kind of redundant safety line on them or they need to be double braked. What that means is that if the motor were to ever fail, the equipment wouldn't fall, it would be held in place either by a secondary braking system or a second steel line which will hold the equipment should the motor ever fail. So the first thing we do when we get to arena is we mark up the floor. What that means is we're transposing the information of where all the rigging is going from our 3D visualization into the venue. That means that the rigger can then attach the motors overhead in the position where the truss needs to end up. We want to avoid working at height as much as possible. So on this particular production, only 2 or 3 people have actually been up in the air. Everything else is done at ground level. All the lighting, all the video is rigged onto those trusses. It's set up, it's programmed, and it's addressed, and then the whole lot lifts up into the air in one go. That way everyone works at ground level, which is much quicker, safer, and more efficient.